Block Puzzle, Cash Prizes, Block Blitz and Bubble Shooter Arena are all currently listed by skills with cash matches and real-world prizes, so these aren't just puzzle games that hand out virtual coins. I ranked 5 options based on their cash game features, current player ratings, and how clearly the platforms describe their real money competition. Number 5 is Word Cash. It turns word puzzles into competitive matches where players can compete for cash prizes. Skills currently lists free matches, cash matches, real-world prizes, and head-to-head play, with a 4.4 rating across 292 reviews on its platform. Number 4 is N Block Puzzle, Cash Prizes. The gameplay is built around placing blocks and clearing lines, while Skills adds tournament and head-to-head competitions. Its current skills listing shows a 4.5 rating from 351 reviews, and specifically lists cash matches and real-world prizes. Number 3 is N Block Puzzle Win, Real Money. This is another skills-powered block puzzle where your score determines how you perform against other players. The current listing shows a 4.5 rating from 2,053 reviews, along with free matches, cash matches, and real-world prizes. Number 2 is N Bubble Shooter Arena. Instead of arranging blocks, you clear groups of bubbles, and the competitive version uses skills as tournament system. Its current listing shows a 4.4 rating from 4,710 reviews, and includes cash matches, real-world prizes, and head-to-head competition. Number 1 is N Block Blitz. Block Blitz has been on Skills' popular games list, and currently shows a 4.5 rating from 5,055 reviews. The game includes free matches, cash matches, real-world prizes, and head-to-head competition, which gives it one of the strongest combinations of established player activity and cash game features in this group. Skills 5A. There is one detail you should check before putting money into any of these apps: cash competitions aren't necessarily available everywhere. Skills describes real money prizes as available in supported locations, so your location can affect whether you see cash tournaments. Also, don't confuse virtual rewards with withdrawable money. Before entering a paid match, check the entry fee, prize structure, eligibility rules, and withdrawal options shown inside the app. So the ranking is Block Blitz at number 1, Bubble Shooter Arena at number 2, Block Puzzle Win, Real Money at number 3, Block Puzzle, Cash Prizes at number 4, and Word Cash at number 5. Start with the free matches, learn the scoring system, and check the cash game rules before paying an entry fee. If you want more ranked real money game apps, like the video and subscribe.